Tired of your Namecheap header looking like everyone else's? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change the font. First, open your site in the editor. Then we'll click through the header settings to pick your new font. Let's go. So to get started, you'll want to have your site open inside Namecheap's website builder. If it's not already up, go ahead and log in and open the site you want to edit. This is the same editor you use to build your pages, so it should feel familiar. Now, look at the top of your page. See that header navigation area? That's what we're going to customize. Just click anywhere on the header itself. You'll know you've selected it when you see the editing panel pop up on the side. This is where all the magic happens for your site's top section. All right, now that the header panel is open, look through the settings for an option that says System Fonts. Go ahead and click that. This is going to reveal the font controls for your header text. You'll notice that clicking it might not show the full list right away. So click on System Fonts a second time to expand the dropdown. There we go. Now you have 2 font slots to work with. These are for your primary and secondary header text, like your site title versus your menu links. Click on the first font slot. It might just say the number 1. This opens up your font library. Scroll through the list and pick the one that feels right for your brand. Maybe something clean and modern. Don't overthink it. You can always change it later. Now, click on System Fonts again to go back to the font pair menu. This time, click on the second font slot. That's the number 2. Choose your second font here. This will be the supporting text in your header, so think about what looks good alongside your first choice. Once you've picked both, hit the Continue button. Now, you have a whole list of font styles to choose from. There are a lot of options here. Light, regular, bold, italic. Just pick the style that matches your brand voice. If you're going for professional and serious, go with a standard weight. If you want something more playful, maybe try a lighter style. The key thing here is to make sure this font is actually applied to the header navigation. Sometimes the editor will give you options for where the font goes. Double check that the header section is selected. If everything looks good, we're almost done. Now it's time to preview your changes. Click the Preview button and take a look at your site. How does that header feel? More professional? More you? Good. Finally, save and publish your work. Hit that Save button and then Publish. Your new custom font is now live for everyone to see. That's it. In just a couple of minutes, you went from generic header text to something that actually represents your brand. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.